What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is US Storms and Sirens. Today we're getting some 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts from a cold front that has just moved through here about a couple hours ago. And now we're just getting very, very, very strong wind gusts, up to 40 miles per hour. And just a few minutes ago, the live oaks were swishing so loudly. Like, I am not kidding. They were swishing so loud. They were swishing so loudly. Oh my gosh. Can you guys hear them? Can you guys hear the live oaks? I don't know if y'all can hear them or not, but they are literally swishing. Oh my gosh. Now that was like a 50, I'm not kidding, that was actually like a 50-mile-per-hour gust. That was literally a 50-mile-per-hour gust. Holy guacamole. Wow. This is nuts. Holy cow. That was crazy. We have a wind advisory until 6 o'clock tomorrow. Holy cow. I can literally hear my cypress from here. That is crazy. I'm like pointing the camera everywhere, like every 2 seconds, because the wind's going crazy. I'm not kidding, it actually feels like I'm in a storm right now. But look, there's literally no storms at all. It's just a cold front with 50-mile-per-hour winds. Holy cow. Wow. These winds are so strong. I don't know if y'all can hear the live oaks swishing, but they are swishing. Let's go under the cypress and hear it swish. Let's go hear our cypress swish. Hurry before we miss it. Holy cow. This is crazy. These winds are literally 45, 50 miles per hour. No flippin' joke. Every time I come to hear the cypress swish, nothing happens. Let's hope something happens. This is crazy, you guys. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna hear it or not. Sorry, guys. Because of the oak tree and the wind hitting the microphone. Look at that creep myrtle. That's crazy. Look at the leaves blowing everywhere. Whoa, I heard a bang. I literally just heard a bang. Whoa. I'm not kidding, I actually heard a bang. Well, I heard something. I have goosebumps because it's so cold outside. Oh my gosh. Look at those winds down there. Wow. Oh my goodness, trees are falling down. Branches. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, things are flying everywhere, you guys. This is crazy. Let's see if we can catch another 50-mile-per-hour gust. Let's see if it will happen again. I'm going to stand back a little bit. Because if my bald cypress falls over, it might fall on the house. Oh, here comes a massive gust right over there. I can tell by those trees over there. Whoa. This is insanity. The clouds are also moving very fast. They're moving so fast. Oh my gosh. Look at the light pole right over there. Dude, the light pole is literally shaking. Dude, that light pole over there is shaking. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, things are going to fall over because of these winds. And the sun is going down. Heading into nighttime. Holy gosh. This is insane. I think I'm going to record. I don't know if I can record for an hour because my phone's at 50%. 50. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to record as long as I usually do during storms. So this might be kind of a long / short one. So, I do apologize. Yeah, it's going to be a long / short video. Probably the same thing, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But anyways, look at my oak tree. It's blowing like nuts. Wow. This is kind of like the afternoon of March 4th. I'm not kidding. You guys know that March 4th storm in the afternoon, we had 50-mile-per-hour winds. This is the same thing, but except the trees have leaves. So we finally get to see what 50-mile-per-hour winds look like on trees with their leaves. I don't even know what I just said, but anyways, these winds are insane right now. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Dude, that lamppost is shaking over there. Yeah, when I was on the bus home, I was turning onto the highway, and the power lines were literally shaking. Like, the lines were moving so much. That's how strong these winds are. Oh, here comes a big gust. That was a big gust on that Bradford pear over there. Wow. This might be about 40 minutes long, I think. I'm not sure. Whoa, what the heck was that? I heard something break off. Oh, they're just reversing their car. I thought I heard something break, but nothing broke yet. I'm surprised my cypress is still holding up. Oh, there goes a gust. Gosh, it's so cold. It's like freezing out here. Look at that live oak. There's a live oak way down there. Look at that creep myrtle. I hope my dead tree's still holding up. Yeah, I think my tree is fine. My dead tree's fine. It doesn't catch the wind anyway. Dude, that Bradford pear was going crazy back there. Jeez. I don't know if y'all, I'm not kidding, but I'm trying to make sure that y'all can hear the live oaks, because they are swishing pretty loud right now. And it is cray. I'm telling you guys, my cypress is going to fall over one day. Holy guacamole. My goodness, you guys. I'm gonna see if I can walk over here just a bit. Look at those winds. This is insanity. I'm gonna put it in 0.5 times for a minute. I'm gonna zoom all the way out for a few minutes to see what I can capture. But holy cow, these winds are insane. Let's go to, okay. Yeah, the sun's going down right now. It's about to be nighttime. All right, I'm gonna put it back in 1 times. All right, I put it back. I put the camera back. Wow, these winds are cray cray. Holy guacamole. And it's cold. These winds are freezing. Like, I'm not kidding, these winds are literally freezing cold. Look at that cloud. It's moving pretty fast. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Branches are going out of style. Whoa. I'm telling you guys, this is exactly like March 4th. Dude, listen to the trees, man. The trees are literally swooshing. Every single tree in the neighborhood is swooshing right now. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me because of the wind in the microphone. Let's see if I can capture the top blowing. Man, this is crazy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna walk over here for a minute. And then after that, we'll go to the backyard. Oh my gosh. So they completely removed the pistachio, and you guys can get a better view of my oak tree. My clothes are blowing around. I'm gonna try to walk to these live oaks. That Bradford pear's been topped. That is not good. Okay, I'm gonna head back to my yard. Dude, listen to my oak tree. This thing is blowing around. As you can see, look at how many limbs it lost. I'm surprised this thing is still alive. Look at this view of the wind. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna walk to the live oaks. See if we can hear them swoosh better. Walk back to my yard. Alright guys, well I'm gonna go ahead and head to the backyard, so let's go ahead and head over there. Alright guys, we're here in the backyard now. My dead tree actually held up pretty good, so that's good. So I can hear that. I can literally hear that giant sweetgum over there. Whoa. Can we see our front yard from here? Yep, there it is. There's my toaster top and my oak tree. Look at the clouds. They are moving so fast. Because of a cold front. Cold front usually moves clouds quicker. Holy guacamole. What do you think, Harriet? Okay. Whoa. Yeah, the clouds are too far up. They are really high up there. Let's see if we can take a look at that Chinese elm. The big one. Yep, there it is. Look at that tree. I wish I had a Chinese elm in my backyard, but I don't. Holy cow. That was a good gust. Wow. I can actually hear that Chinese elm a little bit. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I can. I can literally hear that Chinese elm. Oh my gosh. A branch just flew. Looks like a leaf broke off. Right here. Oh my gosh. Now that was cool. That was like a 40-mile-per-hour gust on that Bradford pear right there. The mulberry tree is like, I'm not blowing today. Look at my dead tree. It's not even blowing because of the fence and the house is blocking it. If the winds were blowing from the southwest at 40 miles per hour, then yes, it would be blowing like crazy. All right, I'm gonna stand by the back door. Wow. I can't believe it's about to be November, you guys. New month is about to start, you guys. We're gonna have a great November. And that's when the trees start to lose the leaves, even though all of it is still green. The tree leaves will start to die and get ready for winter. Because the trees usually don't, like, all the leaves don't turn brown till like December. So the tree starts shedding their leaves early. I can literally hear that Chinese elm. I can hear it. I can literally hear that Chinese elm. I'm coming, dog. Alright, just had to let the dog in, but let's see if we can hear that Chinese elm swish from right here. Let's see if we can hear it. Yeah, I doubt we're gonna hear it from there. Sorry guys, I tried everything. Well, my tree is actually moving, but just a tiny bit. my gosh, did you just see that tree right there? Now I can definitely hear that Chinese elm for sure. Now I can hear that post oak swishing. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but it is swishing. Wow. If I had a tree in my backyard, like a live tree, like a oak tree, it would definitely be swishing right now, but sadly I don't have one. I only have dying trees, so. I want to go hear that Chinese elm one more time. Yeah, I doubt we're gonna get it, you guys. I tried, but the wind just keeps entering the microphone. This is some crazy wind, y'all. Okay, now that was 35 right there, I think. I think that was 35 miles per hour. I can still hear that Chinese elm. Man, this wind's crazy. This is probably the craziest wind I've ever experienced. Well, I'm definitely not going to say that. I'm just joking. I've seen 80-mile-per-hour winds. I've seen 100. I've seen 50. So, I have experienced some very crazy weather in the past. Okay, guys, be quiet. I'm going to listen to that Chinese Let's listen for that Chinese again. Let's listen. If those trees will shut up. Let's see if we can hear it, you guys. I'm going to put it in 0.5 times. I think the winds are getting stronger. I can definitely tell the winds are getting stronger. Because that post oak was not swooshing that loud before. That post oak was not swooshing that loud earlier. So the winds have had to pick up. Look at the tree. My dead tree's actually kind of moving a little bit, actually. Oh yeah, it's really moving. My dead tree's been moving. It just moved. This is crazy, y'all. Wow. Oh my gosh. Dude, I can actually hear that pistachio over there. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Okay, this might have to have an hour long. This might be an hour long, you guys. Because of these winds. These winds are not slowing down. I think they're actually picking up. Oh my gosh. I'm at 31%, bro. Well, I'm just kidding. It's not going to be an hour. I got to charge my phone anyway. So I'm going to end the video in about a minute or two here. Wow. This is nuts, you guys. I will definitely post a short about this. I don't know if I'm going to go live in this wind. Probably not. I'll probably just be outside the whole night. Not the entire night, just like the whole evening. And just watch the wind. This is insanity. I've never seen a cold front with these type of winds. I've never seen 40-mile-per-hour winds in a cold front. That's crazy. Wow. And it's only October, dude. We're about to cross into November. That's when stuff starts happening. That's when severe weather season starts again one more time, is November. Well, guys, I'm going to end the video off here. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. This was a crazy 40-mile-per-hour windstorm. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And I will see y'all later. Have a great day. All right, see y'all later.